Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is noun phrase 290. The noun phrase today is red line. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot? Do it right now. Let's get right to it. If a person says that something is a red line, it means it is a boundary or a limit that one should not cross. If this line is crossed by one party or group, it means it is beyond a point in which a person or group is no longer able to negotiate, meaning that they're going to do something, probably to punish you, that you cross this red line. That's it. No, we're not going to even try to come to an agreement anymore. You cross this line. I made this line. You cross this line. Some say the origin of this phrase is derived from the Red Line Agreement in 1928. The largest oil companies of Britain, the U.S., and France had to decide the breakup of the Ottoman Empire. According to the story, an Armenian businessman, Kalaus Gulbenkian, took out a red pencil to draw estimated boundaries of the separated empire. This is one idea. There's actually another theory also about the Crimean War too. But maybe this next one actually makes most sense because this is closer to the way we use red line today. Some also say the term red line may have also derived from to draw a line in the sand, because a lot of times when we use red line, we use it today like the other phrase of to draw a line in the sand. The earliest citation of this phrase dates back to the Roman Empire in 168 BC. In a war between Rome and Syria. According to the story, a Roman envoy named Popilius was sent to King Antiochus IV to stop the attack on Alexandria. Popilius drew a line in the sand around him and said he must decide before he crossed this line. The king gave in to his demand, and that's where we might have got it. So like today, a lot of times it is like you draw a line in the sand, like, don't cross this line. You cross this line, then I have to take action. I have to do this thing. It's kind of like, this is my line. This is my limit. Don't cross that. Okay, good. So let's give some examples of the way we may hear it used. Here's the first one. The president of that country has stated that if this country crossed this red line, he would be forced to act. Okay, yeah, a lot of times it's used like that. It's often used as a threat. Number two, many say it is foolish for a leader to make red lines because once you do it, if your opponent crosses, you either have to do what you threatened or you lose face. So by making red lines, you're kind of limiting yourself sometimes. And, you may have to take a drastic action that, maybe you could have avoided this drastic action, but now you made this red line and, it makes you look like, sometimes we say like a paper tiger or something. If you don't do it, you're all talk, or it was just an empty threat. So you kind of lose face. So some people say it may not always be a good idea to make red lines, because if you make it, then you got to kind of back it up. And if you don't back it up, then it doesn't seem like your words are worth very much. All right, number three here. That leader said this issue was a red line. He would not negotiate about it. So this is it. This is kind of his limit. This is his boundary. So this is the way we hear it used mostly these days. So somewhere along the line, red line and, to cross a line in the sand kind of, melded together, and that's the way we use it today. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. Hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.